Let me guess. You're switching between Canva, Photoshop, and 3 folders of assets, all to make one product banner? What if your visuals were created right inside your page builder? Meet the AI image generator, now built into EComposer 3.0. Now imagine this. You're building a POD store in Shopify. You drag and drop an image element into your layout. Then select Change Image, Select from Library. And instead of browsing files, you select Generate with AI. Now the AI image generator panel opens. In the Generate mode, you can create your desired product image by just one prompt, and boom, a lifestyle product photo that fits your brand, styled, optimized, Shopify-ready. Need to fix the logo placement? No problem. Select and download an image you have made. Switch to Edit, upload the image and the correct logo, and use Edit mode to swap the details. Let AI do the precision work while you focus on creating. Want to tweak the background? Just paint the area, prompt your update, and let the AI reimagine it. Quick note, you can edit up to 10 images at once, so keep your workflow light and fast. Design, customize, and publish scroll-stopping visuals all inside EComposer 3.0. Build any page in freedom. Try EComposer today.